Finally, the mode is the value or number that appears most often in a given set of values. If you look at the distribution given to us here, you will find out that 2 appeared most in the list. So, to find the mode, we'll make use of our mode function in Microsoft Excel. So, choose your desired cell, type equal to mode, open up your bracket. So the list, the first cell there is C2, then you put your colon and enter the final cell there, which is C7. Then close your bracket and press your enter. So if you look at the list now, you find out that 2 appeared about 3 times in the list. 6 is just only once, 4 once, 8 once. So that is how to get mode in Microsoft Excel.